Divide 417 by 3 in long division method. 3 times 1 is 3. On subtracting, we get 1. So now we put down this 1 and it is 11. 3 times 3 is 9. On subtracting, we get 2. So again we put down this 7 and it is 27. So 3 times 9 is 27. On subtracting we get 0. So 417 divided by 3 is 139. So this much for today and thanks for watching.